Soprano Recorder using ABCD notes from sheet music notations. The note B is the first note you'll learn on the recorder. It's a relatively simple note to play, and it forms the basis for many common melodies. Look at the image for finger position for open and closed position. The note A is a bit higher than B and requires slightly different fingering. It's essential to practice the transition between these two notes to develop smooth finger movements. Look at the image for finger position for open and closed positions. The note G is another important note in recorder playing. It's a bit lower than A and requires a slightly different fingering technique. Practice transitioning between A and G for smoother playing. Look at the image for finger position for open and closed positions. The note F is a bit lower than G. Mastering the note F will help you play a wider range of melodies. Practice switching between G and F for smooth finger movements. The note F sharp is a half step higher than F, and it's a bit more challenging to play. It adds variety and a unique sound to melodies. Practice transitioning between F and F sharp. Look at the image for finger position for open and closed positions. The note E is a bit lower than F sharp and requires slightly different fingering. It's a crucial note for many popular melodies. Practice transitioning between F sharp and E for smoother playing. Look at the image for finger position for open and closed positions. The note D is a bit lower than E and is important for expanding your recorder repertoire. Practice switching between E and D for smooth finger movements. Look at the image for finger position for open and closed positions. The higher D note requires covering only the thumb hole and first finger hole. This creates a bright, clear tone perfect for melodic passages. The higher E note expands your melodic range and adds brightness to your playing. Now we use E note in most of the songs when the song is written G scale. Look at the image for finger position for open and closed positions. The higher F note expands your upper register, adding brightness and expressiveness to your playing. Higher F also is used mostly in G major scala.E.